How to use Klarna on Booking.com. Now in this video, I will show you how to do that. Just follow a few easy steps. Now let's get started. Now first of all, open the Klarna app. So open your Klarna app on your phone and make sure to log into your account. After that, go to Shop tab. Tap on Shop at the bottom of the screen, search for Booking.com. Now after that, select Booking.com from the search results. This opens the site inside the Klarna app. Now after that, Pay with Klarna or tap on Pay with Klarna, the button. You will now create a one-time card. Now enter a total booking amount. To enter the full amount of your hotel or trip, make sure to include taxes and fees. Now after that, choose a payment plan. So pick your preferred payment options: pay in 4, pay in 30 days, financing. Now then tap create card. After that, Klarna create a virtual card. You will get a card number, expiry date, and CVV. Copy this information and save it in a safe place that you can go back to. After that, make your booking on Booking.com. Still in the Klarna app, search and choose your hotel at the checkout. Select credit or debit card. Enter Klarna card details. So pass the one-time card info at the payments. Complete your booking and all set. So your booking is confirmed. Klarna will handle the payments automatically. So this is how to use Klarna on Booking.com. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.